Assalamualaikum viewers. In this video, we will discuss Pakistan economy, the main heading related to Pakistan economy in the previous months. Pakistan required to keep public entities under finance ministry oversight. IMF. Pakistan has been discussing outsourcing operation of several of its state-owned assets to outside companies. In March, it kicked off outsourcing of operation in land assets at 3 airports to be run under a public-private partnership. Pakistan eyes more seafoods exporting to GCC after digitizing of marine trade. Pakistan economic woes leave textile industry in tatters. Pakistan urges European Union to find solution to grain deal crisis, raises alarm over possible food inflation. Pakistan approves agreement for UAE to develop cargo terminal at Karachi port. Saudi Arabia and Pakistan at very advanced stage of finalizing 14 billion US dollar oil refinery deal, Minister. After 15 months, Pakistan's stock market surged above 46,000 points amid foreign buying. Pakistan sets to 20 billion US dollar investment target for IT sectors, plans to focus on Gulf nations. Experts blame Pakistan's financial woes on political and economic management despite multiple IMF bailout. Government says Pakistan's economy in safe zone after reducing current account deficit to 2.56 billion US dollar. Pakistan's PM says government to go home before completing tenure next month. Pakistan finalizes draft for sovereign wealth fund to manage state asset, finance minister. Steadfast implementation of policies critical for Pakistan to reduce financing gaps, IMF. Pakistan anti-crime watchdog vows strike action against suspects running illegal loans app. Fitch upgrades Pakistan's foreign currency debt rating, citing improved external liquidity. Pakistan set up center to boost agricultural growth with 500 million Saudi assistance. IMF's 3 billion US dollar bailout deal will not solve Pakistan's long-term problems, say experts. Why Pakistan's long-awaited IMF tranche is important. New investment Facilitation Council gives Pakistan Army formal seat at economic table. Pakistan Shark Tank 95 candidates fight it out for chunk of rupees 10 billion innovation fund. Grief weighed heavily on the minds of relatives of Pakistani missing in Greece shipwreck. Pakistan says has no plans to freeze foreign currency account. Pakistan regulator approves up to 50% hike in gas prices. Record inflation in Pakistan creating unprecedented hardship for economy and for country's poor, experts says. In crisis hit Pakistan, rogue loan apps aid to financial pain. This is the end of the lecture. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for such type of more economic related videos.